Okay, here's our first page. Our second page. Then now we'll do double. Good, guys?
Look it. Ouch, ouch, it hurts. Oh, no.
Make sure you read all the definitions.
Make sure you definitions. Wow.
This is the one that I thought was really cool. The rest one.
I'm happy it was so fun. Yay.
Good. Oops. Atticus, not yet. Good. And this. Okay. Now we have our notes. These are our notes. This is going to be when I do the experiment. So sorry guys, I'm pretty sure that doesn't help you guys with things that are needed the most, which is the experiment. I try to cut down on the notes so I can learn more and read more. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. We are doing another biology set. This is actually a chapter. Well, chapter 2, the chemistry of life. Remember, you just saw all my notes first and it'll be in the after. And I'll eventually show you while I'm doing it too. They first introduced us with an inquire activity. I couldn't do it, but I will read you the instructions. But first, they put up a little, basically a bird with a lot of beautiful feathers. See? The beautiful feathers of this great egret, it's an egret, are made up of protein. Protein are one of the main groups of carbon compounds found in living things. I don't know if you know this, guys, but in a something like a Darman video, I think it's the Night Fan Project or Nightfall Project or something. There was posted a video of how this man creates meat from feathers because they have a high source of protein. And you can use basically any feathers because protein. I'm going to read you the first instruction of the inquire activity. And I have this prepared, so when I do it, I will be able to fill in it. For number 1, it says label 6 test tubes as follows: tofu, soy sauce, butter, soap, starch, and sugar. Place a tiny amount of each sample in the appropriate test tubes. Then eventually fill up with water, shake it, see what happens basically. I'm going to read you the keywords in our key sentence. Atom, nucleus, electron, and there will be plenty of more when we carry on. Okay, now for our key sentence. The subatomic particles that make up atoms are protons, neutrons, and electrons. And guys, if you don't know the definition of the word, usually behind the word, which is a highlighted word, they will have the definition or what it means. Same thing.
Yay.
So we have a few more keywords: element, isotopes, and compound. Yes, we will have more.
One.
He is counting these, which I'm about to show you. These are non-radioactive compounds and carbon. Yeah, non-radioactive and then radioactive carbon. Yeah, carbon. And then up top, they have careers in biology. They have forensic scientist, job.
One.
And then we got job. We have a job description, education, skills, and then they'll have everything that they'll need if you really want to do biology when you grow up. It's really cool though. It really is. So this stuff will really help you prepare. What? Okay. I know I'm gonna Okay, guys. So I'm going to read you the key sentences and keywords, and I really want to tell you about this van der Waals forces. Okay, our key sentence. The main types of chemical bonds are ionic bonds and covalent bonds. Keywords.
They're boss.
Yep. Ionic bond, ions, covalent bond, and van der Waals forces. The van der Waals forces is what makes geckos grip so smooth when they're climbing. They're a type of lizard that climbs.
What's geckos?
Like a lizard.
Oh.
They're like almost like they're better than spiders.
Or pickle. It's like dessert.
Yeah. Okay. I thought that was very awesome and cool. And for the few next pages, we're going to have properties of water.
What's this? Americus.
Blue? Is that what you're talking about?
Blue. H. Blue bowl. Blue bouncy ball. Red big bouncy ball. Blue big bouncy ball.
Okay, and we have another.
What's this?
The mountains, Atticus, and rocks covered in moss.
Oh.
A water molecule is polar because there is an uneven distribution of electrons between the oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Okay, keywords. Cohesion, adhesion, and mixture. I'm going to read you the definition of adhesion. Adhesion is an attraction between molecules of different substances. And then we have cohesion is an attraction between molecules of the same substance. They have a lot of photos of the hydrogen bond and then the little balls where he was counting 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then they put in the first part about how when an astronaut was leaving Earth, looking back at it, it looks so beautiful, like a little marble with all blues.
Yeah.
Checkpoint. And then here is that's
It's
a gross
this.
tarantula
Yeah.
trying to float on the water. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
We have a lot more keywords. Let's read them. Solution, solute, solvent,
What's that?
suspension,
What's that?
buffers, base, acid, pH
What's
scale.
that?
There's another quick lab one. It's to make like a pH paper, samples, all that stuff, which I don't have to.
Look at scissor.
Yeah, those are scissors. They have a pH scale over here, guys, viewers, and it's basically it's a scale of 0 to 14. The 7 is neutral. Below 7 is increasingly acidic, and then above 7 is increasingly basic, because we have our bases that makes it what it is. So 1, there's nothing at 1, nothing at 0. Then we have 1.5 stomach acid. 2.5 lemon juice.
A tea.
Yes. 4 tomato juice. 4.5 acid rain.
Make milk.
Yes. And then 5.5 rainfall. 6 is normal. Then we got 6.5 milk. 7 is pure water. 7.5 human blood. 8 nothing. 8.5 seawater. 9.5 nothing. 10 soap. 11 nothing. 11.5 ammonia solution. Then 12.5 is bleach. Then we got 13.5 oven cleaner.
Bleach.
Yes, bleach is very toxic, so just don't do anything gross. They have on the pH scale, they are telling us and showing us, yes, and describing to us how the acid and the pH is bad, and if it's below acidic. That's how I can tell you guys this, because when you read all of this, it really comes to your brain.
Don't wipe it on your face, or don't wipe it on your mouth.
Nope. And then we have some more key sentences and keywords. Let's read the keywords. Monomers, polymers, and carbohydrates.
3,
And the definition
4,
of carbohydrates, because
5,
it is
6.
so important, it is carbohydrates are compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms, usually in a ratio of 1, 2, and 1. Okay, here we go for our first key sentence. 4 groups of organic compounds found in living things are carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acid, and proteins. Another key sentence. Living things are carbohydrates as their main source of energy. Plants and some animals also use carbohydrates for structural purposes. Yes, Atticus?
Okay. Chapter C.
Nice one. Okay. And they have this one. This chapter, they show us and tell us a lot about the acid, carbohydrates, more like kind of about human body, but not that much. Don't do that, please. Okay, let's read our very hard keywords. Monosaccharides, polysaccharides, lipids,
8.
nucleic
Chapter
acids,
C.
nucleotides. Then we got ribonucleic acid, RNA. Then we got deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA.
C.
Yes.
Wash.
And then we have proteins and amino acids. And then we have 2 key sentences, guys. Lipids can be used to store energy. Some lipids are important parts of biological membranes and waterproof coverings. Another one. Nucleic acids store and transmit urinary or genetic information. Guys, I really do recommend studying all of these kind of scales and all these models that they give for us to look at, because it's very good. Okay, key sentences, then keywords. Chemical reaction, reactants, and products. Key sentences. Some proteins control the rate of reactions and regulate cell processes. Some are used to form bones and muscles. Others transport substances into or out of cells or help to fight diseases. Chemical reactions always involve changes in the chemical bonds that join in atoms in compounds. That was another key sentence. And then down here they have the iron chains. The iron in the chains links gradually combined with oxygen to produce a compound known as rust. I thought that was very cool because I didn't know why things would turn rusty. So that really does solve it in my brain. And then we have more pH stuff and how does it affect an enzyme. And I'm going to read you the more keywords. Activation energy, enzymes, and catalysts. Key sentences. Chemical reactions that release energy are often occur spontaneously. Chemical reactions that absorb energy will not occur without a source of energy. Another key sentence. I'm sorry, guys. I got them. Stop, Atticus, please. Enzymes speed up chemical reactions that take place in cells. Calm down, please. And guys, they have a lot of these. Please. They have a lot of these models and photos for us to see and how it affects it. You guys will see in the front and the after. And guys, this is very important because towards the end, I'm going to read you this other keyword, substrates. But towards the end, they have a very, very weird designing and experimenting. It's basically they're teaching you how to design an experiment and do it. And I can't believe it, but they're asking us to use a raw liver in here. So you guys really gotta tell me down in the comments how your project went. And make sure when you're doing it, you'll always have the safety materials, also known as gloves, glasses, and even if you need it, which I doubt, is a hazmat suit. Thank you, viewers, for watching our video.
Bye.
Okay, here's our first page. Our second page. Then now we'll do double. Good, guys?
Look it. Ow, ow, it hurts. Oh, no.
Make sure you read all the definitions.
Make sure you get this.
This is the one that I thought was really cool, the rest one.
I'm happy it was so. Bye. Yay.
Good. Oops. Atticus, not yet. Good. And this. Okay. Now we have our notes. These are our notes. This is going to be when I did the experiment. So sorry guys, I'm pretty sure that doesn't help you guys with things that are needed the most, which is the experiment. I try to cut down on the notes so I can learn more and read more. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.